In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your draft messages on Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're juggling multiple emails or need a quick refresher on accessing your drafts, this tutorial is here to help you locate and manage your unsent messages swiftly. Let's begin by heading over to Microsoft Outlook. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL for Outlook, then hitting enter. If you're using the desktop application, go ahead and open that up. Once you're on the main page of Microsoft Outlook, you'll notice the sign in option in the top right corner. Give that a click. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. If you're not already logged in, type in your credentials. Otherwise, ensure you're in the right account if you manage multiple ones. Taking these steps might seem basic, but it's crucial to make sure you're on the right account to find the drafts you need. Once you're all signed in and ready to go, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar menu. Here, you'll find different sections such as Inbox, Sent, and important for today, Drafts. If you don't see the Drafts folder immediately, make sure to scroll down as it might reside further down depending on your folder setup. Click on Drafts. This section houses all the messages you've composed but haven't sent yet. It's a handy feature for those moments when you need to pause and come back to a message later. Whether you've saved it deliberately or by simply exiting a message mid-composition, you'll find your unfinished emails here. Take a moment to browse through your drafts. Because draft emails can pile up, it's often helpful to review and manage them regularly. Just open a draft whenever you're ready to continue editing, revise the content if necessary, and once you're satisfied, hit send. If the draft is no longer needed, you can delete it by selecting the message and clicking on the trash icon. This simple organizational step helps maintain a clean and efficient workspace, ensuring you focus on the emails that matter. Remember, finding your drafts is just a few clicks away, making it manageable to jump back into your work whenever inspiration strikes or when it's finally time to respond. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your saved emails and stay on top of your communication. Hopefully this guide will make your Outlook experience smoother and more productive. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit this video whenever you need a reminder on accessing your drafts in Microsoft Outlook. Happy emailing!